Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial video on how to create your account in Bumble dating app. Follow along with this video to easily create your account and start swiping according to your choice and preference. First of all, locate the Bumble dating app on your device and tap to open it. On the login screen, you will see two options for signing up. Either you continue with your Facebook or choose your mobile number. Choose the option you prefer. Choose continue with Facebook and click on continue as. Enter your first name and click on the arrow on the right hand side. After that, you will be asked to upload any two photos. Click on upload photos to select your photos from gallery. Select the photos you like and click on save. Now select the next icon to upload another photo and repeat the same process. You will automatically be directed to this page. Here you can add more photos or simply skip this part by clicking on the arrow on the right hand side. Now enter your date of birth and click on the arrow on right hand side. For further process, confirm your age. Now select your gender and click on the arrow. Here you can choose to show your gender on your profile or keep it hidden. Now click on the arrow on the right hand side. Now to get started, choose a mode among the available options, either to date or to find new BFF. After choosing the mode, click on the arrow button. Now choose the preferred gender you would like to date, can be men, woman and non-binary. After choosing, click on the arrow button. Now choose what you are looking for on Bumble among the available options. Select the options and to continue, press the arrow button. Now you can connect your Bumble profile with your Instagram or you can skip it. Here you can choose invite options as per your interest to match with people who love them too, or you can skip this part. After selecting the options, click on the arrow on the right hand side. Select your height or you can skip this part. Here you can jump over this part or let people know about your workout habits and click on arrow. Here you can skip this part or select your zodiac sign and click on the arrow. You can jump over this part by clicking on skip, or you can select your education level and press on arrow. Select your drinking habits or skip the part. Let people know if you smoke or skip this part. You can jump over this part or select the given option. Now choose your religion identity or leave out this part. Choose your political leaning or skip the part. Here you can add a profile prompt that matches your personality or skip this part. Now add more about you or skip the part. Now click on the button for further process. Now swipe left if you are not interested or swipe right if you want to further connect with them. That's all, you have successfully created your Bumble account. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share it with others. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.